Welcome everyone to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Thursday, January 26th, 2023. My name is Robert Roy, and let's go ahead and jump right in. Keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the various social platforms. Not only by subscribing and following us on YouTube here, make sure to ring that bell so you get notified of all the latest and greatest. We've got live trainings that we send out every single day that we do on what's going on in the market. But make sure you go over to the other sites, and particularly go over to tradinglikeaboss.com and check out all of the free resources that are on that page. Any upcoming classes, Power Hour, which is on Monday at noon Eastern, and then Trading Coaches Playbook, which is on Friday at noon. It's kind of our bookends. It starts the week and it ends the week up for our trading week, all right? So with that, let's go ahead and dive in. First off, economic reports. We've got a report coming out. It's about 10 minutes to 8 right now as I'm doing this recording. So we got economic reports coming out at 8:30, which is the GDP. That's the big one. Fed's going to be looking at that. Right now, we've got a 90+% chance, 95% plus chance of a quarter-point rate hike next week. I think that's a mistake, but that's my opinion on it. I think they should go a little bit higher on this one and then scale back from there. And then we've got a bunch of durable goods. Unemployment, new home sales comes out at 10 o'clock. So be aware of that as the market is open and you're in a trade. If we look at futures, we're up. Right, the ES is up 19 points, which is the S&P. Woo, look at that sucker run. The Dow is up 45. The Nasdaq's up 116. Thank you, Tesla. Right, RUT's up 7. Bitcoin's up 195. 23K on Bitcoin. Ethereum is up 32 points to about 16 quarter. Gold is down 5.6, 1937, and crude is up $1 back to that $81 level again. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in on our candidates. So we're going to start off with CVX. Let me bring this over to a template that has moving averages. Beautiful. So CVX up $6.31, right? This is on earnings. They also had another note out on them as well, but earnings was one of the bigger things going on there for it. All right, so I just checked that to confirm. It didn't sound right. It wasn't sitting right. I thought I remembered something else, and I did. They have one of the largest ever share buyback programs just announced today. They also raised their dividend. That's why they're up $6.32. It's not the earnings per se. It's what came out from this, right? So earnings are there, right? They're coming, 27th. But this is pre-earnings. Pre-announcement to earnings is what it was. So we're expecting good numbers from the earnings as well. They're up at 185.40 right now, which puts them just shy of that 186. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 181. Right? I like it, man. I like it. IBM, right? Itty bitty machine. They are earnings. They are down $2.86 today. We'll call it 138 is their current price right now. They were already in a bearish bias. So to be down to 138, I like it. Bear call spread above 140. Right, next, LRCX. 7% of their employees are being laid off. They are doing a layoff of 7%. They are down $6.50 to 482, we'll call it right now. So if we just kind of pull that out a little bit to the right, all right, let's see. 482, it still puts us above our moving average here. We do have that lower high. If you were wanting to play this more aggressively, then I would look at a bear call spread above 405, right? And it would be aggressive. Not my favorite setup for sure. For me, I'd probably just pass on it. LVS, Las Vegas Sands. They're up $2.19. That is on earnings. You can see it right there. So if we just kind of scale this puppy back a little bit, let's see how this fib looks. Yeah, this fib is old. So we need a new Fibonacci drawn on there. So let's go do that now. Right, so we have, we're going to use the hiccup method here. All right, so right now we're up at 57.21 right now. So let's scrunch this down, $56 to $64. Okay, so we're good there. So if we're at 57, so we're going to look at a bull put spread below 56. All right. Next is now. earnings. They're down on their earnings announcements. They're down $5.77 right now. It puts them to 443 even right now. So they were in a bullish bias after yesterday's massive move to the upside. You know, they were up, 536. Great move for them. Look at the size of the candle. Right now, where are they today? 443. So we're still in a bullish bias. I'm going to call this one as a next. I'm just not excited about this at all. Last, Tesla. Go Elon. Go Elon. Go Elon. He is phenomenal, guys. Look what he just did, right? Came out with record revenues, record sales on their earnings. They're up over $10, $9.95 right now, 10 right now, right? Just got back to 10. To 154.5 right now is where they're sitting. Woo! We were in a neutral bias as of yesterday. We're at 154.5. So we're still in a neutral bias, right? But 153.84. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 154 or a long option, right? I love me some options on Tesla. They're one of the stocks that are on our power option plays list. And guys, make sure you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. Take advantage of the resources. As we talk about fibs and you're not sure what I'm doing, you've got a free training on there. It's a 3-part series. It's about 20 minutes each day. You get a new video emailed to you, and it's got the details in it. Just click on it. It's all free. Click on it. It'll take you through everything that we're doing here. And if you want to be notified on market mornings, click on it there. And hey, tomorrow, we've got a phenomenal Trading Coaches Playbook coming up on Friday, so you can register there. With that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.